Happy birthday to you. Get a little closer. Yay!
Getting into his car, I told him a secret. If you're not first, you're last. Navigate to Legoland.
What does navigate mean?
Okay, searching for Legoland.
Give me situations I won't be happy with. Lately over being unlucky, it's obvious that I need a day off. Too much to pay off. These days I feel like someone cut my legs off. But I'm fine, just stressed out. Lately I feel left out. Living life looking like hell. But I've been better with you around. Hey. You make me feel right when I'm out of patience. Feel like I am on vacation. You sound so nice singing my song, and I'm right where I belong. Right where I belong. Good conversations always on my motivation. I need a list of names to fix my reputation. Amazing how these people use communication. I try to live my life, they keep me on probation. So much to do and no time to do it. So much to say to try to get through this. I'm fine, just a little clueless. But baby, right now you're on my to-do list. You make me feel right when I'm out of patience. Feel like I am on vacation. You sound so nice singing my song, and I'm right where I belong. Right where I belong.
Hot. I've done it before. Hot.
What was that?
Turkey leg.
That was good.
I've done this before.
It's a whooping leg. What should I do here? It's 5, 5, 5. There. It's 5, just 5. The jetpack. That's so cool.